Want to give your Obsidian vault a different name? You can rename a vault without changing any of the notes inside it, and it only takes a few clicks. First, open Obsidian's Vault Switcher. You can do this by clicking the vault name in the bottom left corner and then selecting Manage Vaults. Here you'll see a list of the vaults currently available in Obsidian. One important thing to keep in mind is that you can't rename the vault you're currently using. So if you want to rename your active vault, first switch to another vault and then open Manage Vaults again. Find the vault you want to rename and click the three dots next to it. From the menu, select Rename Vault. Now enter the new name you'd like to use and confirm it. Obsidian will update the vault's name in the Vault Switcher while your notes, folders, and other content inside the vault stay exactly where they are. It's worth remembering that a vault name is mainly used to identify the vault inside Obsidian. Renaming it doesn't rename your individual notes or change the organization of your vault. So if you've created a vault with a temporary name or simply want to give it a more descriptive name later, you can change it whenever you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.